مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Good morning, students, and welcome to our lesson today. Today, we are going to deal with our vocabulary lesson on your student's book, page 116. Actually, this lesson is related to the vocabulary on Unit 8. Now, let's start with our first exercise. Exercise 1. Replace the words in bold with. Look after, aims, control, find the way, talk to, state. So it is clear that this exercise focuses on synonyms. What do we mean by synonyms? Yes, words of similar meaning. Sentence 1. Everyone in our neighborhood goes to a public high school. So the correct synonym or the word with similar meaning is state high school. Everyone in our neighborhood goes to a state high school. Number 2, what are your goals in life? Yes, what are your aims in life? These are two words with similar meanings. Number 3, can you handle a boat properly? Properly means correctly, in a correct way. So can you control a boat properly? Sentence 4. He's a friendly person who is easy to approach. Approach here means to talk to. He is an easygoing person. It's easy to talk to him. Sentence 5. Students are encouraged to take care of the garden. The synonym is look after. Students are encouraged to look after the garden. Number 6. Sailors used to navigate by the stars at night. Okay, so when you are navigating on the sea, this is trying to find the way. Sailors used to find the way by the stars at night. That's a good exercise. Now we move to exercise 2. Exercise 2. Choose the correct word. So this time we are dealing with an exercise where the sentences have two options. Number 1, the research team counted or measured the water pollution. So of course we cannot count water pollution. So the correct answer is measured. Number 2, traditional are taught as well as scuba diving and boat building. Traditional subjects. We are talking about school. We are talking about different subjects. Number 3, the museum was built on near the river. On a position or on a site? Yes, on a site near the river. That's right. Number 4, we opened an environmental group. Yes, the right answer is to set up, to establish. Number 5, schools used to teach more realistic or practical skills like cookery and woodwork. So these are practical skills like cookery and woodwork because these are skills which we use our hands. These are practical when you practice doing things. Number 6, Aisha's project is based on environmental issues. Thank you. Now we move to exercise 3. Exercise 3. Fill in the gaps with words from the list. We have got this group of words: greenhouse, enthusiastic, low income, experts, culture, control. Now let's have a look at the sentences. Number 1, the city has a maritime culture because it is next to the sea. A maritime culture means a culture which is related to the sea, sailing, fishing, and so on. Number 2, educational are very impressed with the school. Educational experts are very impressed with the school. Can you take off the boat for a while? Yes. Can you take control of the boat for a while? Number 4, families often cannot afford a private education. So those families who cannot afford a private education are low-income families, families which do not earn enough money or a lot of money. Number 5, my father grows vegetables in his greenhouse. Number 6, the students were enthusiastic. They were excited. They were interested in. The students were enthusiastic about the trip down the river. This is good work. Thank you. Now we move on to exercise 4. Exercise 4. Match the verbs to the nouns to make phrases related to things you do at school. We have got this group of verbs: enroll, do, have, get, pay, study. On the other side, we have these nouns or phrases: A, maths, music, history. B, low or high marks. C, your homework. D, on a course. E, attention to the teacher. F, a break. Now let's do the matching. Enroll, on a course. Yes, that's right. Number 2, do. Yes, that's right, and easy. Do your homework. 3, have a break to relax after working. 4, get low or high marks. Pay attention to the teacher when the teacher is working and you are paying attention. Study math, music, or history. That's right. Now we move on to exercise 5. Exercise 5. Underline the correct word. Peter is doing a 6-month IT course, curriculum, program, schedule at a technical college. Yes, that's right. He's doing a 6-month IT course. Number 2, he's studying for a certificate, degree, diploma, qualification in history. Yes, he's studying for a degree in history. Number 3, Mary got 5 passes in her GCSE exams. When you get pass, for a certain subject, this means you get the minimum mark for passing or succeeding the test. Number 4, about 200 students attended Professor Nelson's 2-hour lecture on ancient sea trade. Number 5, Linda's parents hired a private tutor to help her with physics. When you hire a teacher or a university professor, someone who's able to teach you privately, so he's called a tutor. Thank you for your hard work. And now we move on to exercise 6. Exercise 6 deals with word formation. This is related to nouns referring to people. Form nouns from the words in brackets to complete the sentences. The exercise focus is on 2 suffixes. For first, we have ER and OR, like teacher, which ends with ER, instructor, or a conductor, which ends with OR. Then we have got nouns which end with IST, cycle, cyclist. Then we have got nouns which end with AN, IAN, library, librarian. Now, let's have a look at the first sentence. Over 200 attended the conference last weekend. You have got the word science. The word which can be derived from the word science is scientist. So, over 200 scientists attended the conference last weekend. The guard asked not to take any photographs of the paintings. You have got the word visit. So the correct is to say visitor. Number 3, our chemistry won an award for his research. We have got the verb teach. So the noun is teacher. Number 4, we have got the word physics. The one who works or who is a specialist of physics is called physicist. This is a good answer. Thank you for your hard work today, and I hope this lesson was interesting and useful as well. Thank you very much.